So before you want to create an assembly drawing for the car jack, you must create the exploded view and exploded line sketch for these models. Okay, so I will adjust a view for the exploded view. Okay, let's say I adjust the views like this. Let's see. Then from here, so this will be our current view. Make the thing. Then I will start to pick a title block that we have created at your first exercise. Okay, then from here we insert the view. Make sure you pick high quality. Double click on the car jack. Okay, for this one, if you tick, that means it will show exploded view. So we will select current model view. Make sure you pick shaded with edge. Okay. So for here, because your view, we pick your view, you can change the scale. You can change to 1 to 5. That it become bigger. Or exit. Okay, now 1 to 5 it will become bigger. Okay, let's say since your exploded view for this car jack, maybe some of the component is hide at the back of some components. So if your view is not clear, maybe you can show a different view. Okay, let me insert the assembly view first. Assembly view, current model view. So for assembly view, you need to untick this, shadow with edge. Okay, so be here. So later I will adjust, maybe I will put somewhere here. So this is my exploded view, this is assembly view. Okay, we can back to draw your model. So maybe we can insert the other view like this. So we can see what at the back here. So this will be our second view. So we back to your drawing. You can insert second view. Make sure you pick high quality. Then you pick a current model view. Select shift scale. Okay, so this will be your second view. Okay, we can always adjust the view. So you will see here these two having a different view of angles. So the nut at the back here will clearly show here. So we can insert the assembly view. You must untick this. You pick current model view. Pick this one, shaded edge. Yeah. So now we have two different view. From this view, your screw head you cannot. The rod of the head is you cannot see. The rod here you can see the head. So we can insert two different view. Okay, next you need to insert auto balloon. So I will insert. Okay, usually I not prefer to insert the auto balloon here because some of the part maybe will hidden. So I will insert auto balloon for this view. I click auto balloon. Okay, then you see this one, adjust it, make it come inside the title block. Okay, this one don't overlap with other view. This one also don't. Okay, for this view, maybe we move here. This one we move here. Okay, what is this? So actually this number 6 is the shaft here. So the shaft here, make sure it's pointing to the shaft. So I will move the balloon here, so it will look more clear what I'm pointing. Okay, the number 10 is the nut. Okay, so this is number 2 is the lifting arm. This one is a fastener. Okay, number 7 is the shaft. Maybe I will move here. So now all clear. Okay, number 4, support. The support we need to make sure is come inside here. Okay, now your balloon is clear. Okay, then after we insert the view auto balloon, we will insert the bill of materials. So pick the view, confirm. Okay, I will see at the bottom here we have more space. Okay, as I said, for the bill of material, maybe you can split between the fasteners, the 2-spot components. So for the 2-spot component, I will delete here. Okay, then I will move this one inside my title block here. I will change to customize, custom properties, description, and this part here I will show the materials. Okay, then we can adjust the title block. No, the view of materials. So maybe we can move the view. We can slightly move the view. We can move the view. Okay, maybe I move this view to bottom here. As long as I see all my view is not overlapped with other components. So then I will insert another view of materials. So for this case here, I more prefer to split this. So okay, the table for the component here I will remove. Okay, now from here I will change the properties to 2-spot properties. Then I can put the part name, so it will show the part name, and here I prefer to put the specification. So the specification will show the size and the length of the fastener component. So maybe I need to adjust the size. I need to adjust the size, make it become smaller. Okay, so maybe if my view I need to slightly move it down. Or I put my view here. This one, my view I put on the top here. I move my exploded view downwards here. Okay, done. Now make sure your view all is clear. It's showing it is not overlapped with other component. Okay, then you can use node, complete the information for your title block. So your unit, let's say I put in mm. This is a car jack. So you can finish your name, your ID and program. Okay, then your title block you can save in drawing file. You can save in PDF also. or you can publish it. You can publish it into eDrawing. So it takes time to publish into eDrawing.